Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Dow Academy Online Learning. We look forward to seeing you all back in class. But for now, stay home, stay safe. And remember to always wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Let's begin.
Good morning, Form 4's Physics Waves. We are now on lesson number 3, where we are introducing some calculations now. Remember, we cannot do away with calculations in physics. We have now the displacement time graph of a wave that is moving. Displacement, remember you've done that, it's a vector movement in a certain direction. There are some components we need to identify from the displacement time graph, like A, we still have amplitude, the height of the crest or the depth of the trough. We have now period represented by T, which is the time taken for one complete oscillation or one complete wave. This is period. So period is time. We do not have wavelength here. Don't confuse it with wavelength. This is period. We still have our crest, our troughs, and the like. Then we are introducing another term there, frequency, which is the number of waves produced per second or per unit time, with SI unit of hertz, and 1 hertz, it means one complete wave per second. It means in 1 second we are producing one complete wave. And remember, a complete wave has got a crest and a trough. That's one complete wave, a crest and a trough. We've got calculations of frequency, calculations of period. Frequency equals 1 over period, f 1 over t. And from this, now using your mathematics, you can also come up with period. Period equals 1 over frequency, t equals 1 over f. We introduce the wave speed. Wave speed is the distance traveled by the wave in 1 second. From the wave speed, we are coming up with the formula or the equation to calculate the wave speed. We are saying speed in meters per second equals frequency times wavelength. Frequency times wavelength. So V for speed equals frequency times wavelength. This sign is representing the lambda sign here. So you are also going to make subject of formula. I want the formula for frequency, I want the formula for wavelength. From this formula of the wave equation, I want formula for frequency, formula for wavelength. We've got some word examples here, which I'm going to see. Focus on the wave examples where they are calculating using the wave equation. When they are calculating, use the wave equation. You also have another wave example here where they are calculating using the wave equation. You are just making subject of the formula. Then for your exercise, which I will mark, or your work, you are going to do question 1 to 6 here. You are going to do question 1 to question 6. And these are due for submission, and I have to mark them. They are due for submission, and I have to mark them. They are due for submission, I have to mark them. Otherwise, read on waves, write these notes from the video, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.